Next up, Profit and Pain for Black Mous. In this, we need to infill without any teammates and without any weapons, and extract with 3 weapons with at least 3 attachments, each in the same deployment. Now, obviously what you'll need to do is find some AI hopefully quickly while they're still thinking about what's going on. At the very start of the game, you can catch them off guard before the AI seems to start working. You can easily grab yourself a weapon, and then it's just a matter of killing HVTs and things like that to try and get your hands on better quality weapons. Then extracting is simple enough. So first of all, I'll go ahead and put away all of my weapons here, and we'll grab just maybe a Semtex, and that's about it. I'll keep my fire department and city hall keys, because these should probably help us get our hands on some higher quality weapons, but of course that's not really necessary. On top of that, you can choose whether you'd like to take in a backpack or not, but do keep in mind you will need a medium or large backpack in order to carry out a 3rd weapon. Let's just go for it. Right, so now to quickly find some AI to get before we get caught ourselves. So of course there are multiple ways to get weapons. This is probably the fastest and easiest while the AI is still figuring out what the heck is going on. They only seem to check in maybe 20 seconds into a game. Until then, it's pretty much a free-for-all. Alright, already things are going pretty good. Now to just get our way to some higher quality weapons. We can get some cash and maybe buy them from a buy station, or of course find them on HVTs, etc. Also, not to mention we have a few keys. So there's a gun with 1 attachment, not what we're looking for. Still 1 attachment or 2 attachments, we're looking for 3 and above. There we go, there's 1, so we'll put that in our back pocket, and this one we'll put over, I don't know, here. Yo, that's crazy. Alright, well that's everything gone. We've now got everything with 3+ attachments. The only thing left to do is to extract, and that should be the mission done. Alright, so with 3 guns with 3+ attachments each, we'll go ahead and leave. And just like that, we should have now finished the mission. So there we go. We've now finished Profit and Pain for Black Mous, so thank you all for watching. My name has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.